Hello all, in this tutorial we are discussing about the next data type in Python, that is nothing but a set data type. Okay, so basically what is a set and how we can create a set and how we can add data into the set, all those things we will see in this particular tutorial. Okay, let us see. Okay, let us start with the definition. So basically a set is a group of elements. Okay, set is a group of elements represented inside curly braces. Okay, for list it is square brackets, for tuple it is parenthesis, same way for set it is curly braces. Okay, curly braces in the sense it's like this. Okay, like this. So in set set is nothing but data enclosed within a square, within the curly braces. Okay, like that we can create a set. Now we will see the second point. Okay, second point is nothing but insertion order is not preserved in the set. That means in the way how we inserted the data inside a set. Okay, in the way how we inserted the data inside a set, in the same way data won't get stored. Okay, in the way how we inserted data inside a set, in the same way data won't get stored. Okay, data order will get changed automatically every time. That means like internally it is stored in some other way. Okay, now let us see the third point, that is nothing but duplicates are not allowed. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. That means in set, okay, that means in set we can enter data. Okay, we have only unique values inside set. Okay, we can have only unique values inside set. That means duplicates we cannot put inside set. Okay, fourth point is nothing but heterogeneous objects are allowed. Okay, fourth point is nothing but heterogeneous objects are allowed. That means in set, okay, in set it's not like mandatory that we need to enter only one kind of data inside a set. Okay, we cannot enter only one kind of data, we can enter multiple kinds of data. Okay, multiple kinds of data inside a set. That's why we call set as a heterogeneous data type. Okay, next point is nothing but the concepts like indexing and slicing. Okay, indexing and slicing are not applicable on top of set. That means like once we created a set, then we cannot access the value of set by using these two concepts. Okay, next point is nothing but mutability and immutability. Okay, so coming to mutability or immutability concept, set is completely mutable. Okay, set is a data type in which we can update the content of a set once we create it. Okay, that's why we call set as a mutable collection. Okay, set as a mutable collection. That means like once we have set, then we can add some elements, we can remove some elements from the set. Okay, that's why we call set as a mutable data type. Now this is the example. Okay, now whatever I have selected is it's a set. Okay, here if you see I have taken some integers, okay, I have taken some integers, some strings and some complex numbers, some boolean values. That means like I have taken heterogeneous data, and again I have taken, okay, I didn't took any duplicates. Okay, of course, even though if you are taking duplicates, that is not allowed. Okay, so all those points what we discussed till now, we will see how this will work in practical. Let's move to the ideally and let's see how this will work. Suppose I am creating a set with duplicates. Okay, okay, I am creating a set with duplicates. Now see, if you see when I entered data with duplicates, what happened? Data is not coming with the duplicates. Okay, all the duplicates got removed. Okay, all the duplicates got removed once we create a set. That means once we create a set with duplicates, once we try to create a set with duplicates, okay, internally all those duplicates will be removed automatically. That is the main advantage of the set. Now we will see the next point, that is nothing but insertion order is not preserved. Okay, insertion order is not preserved. So let us try to enter this set. Okay, let us try to enter this set. See, here I want to cover 2 points. Okay, first point I want to cover here is like, see, when I created a set with multiple data types present inside, see, it is taking, that means in set we can enter heterogeneous data. Okay, it's not mandatory that we need to enter only one kind of data type into a set. Okay, it's like we can enter any kind of data we want. Okay, so in that way we can create a set. And second point which I need to cover here is like the insertion order, okay, I have entered in this way. Okay, first I entered 10, 20, 30, then Java, Python, like this. But when I'm printing, data is not printing in the way how I inserted. Okay, it got jumbled because insert there is no concept of, there is no insertion order is not preserved in a set. Okay, in that way set will work. Okay, and the next point which I want to cover here is nothing but indexing and slicing are not applicable. Okay, if I want to try okay, if I want to access an element which is at 0th index, see, that is not possible. Okay, we cannot access the elements present inside a set by using this indexing and slicing concepts. Okay, now next thing I want to discuss is nothing but mutable data type. Okay, coming to mutability and immutability concept, set is completely mutable data type. That means once we create a set, we can add few more elements to the set and we can remove the existing elements. Okay, let's try to add one element to the set. Okay, to add element into the set, we need to use this function called as add function. Now I'm adding an element called as 999. Okay, now I'm adding an element called as 999 to the set. Now if I print, see, 999 got added. Now if I, same way, if I want to remove an element, okay, if I want to remove an element from this set called as Python. Okay, now same way, if I want to remove an element from this set called Python, see, now there is no more Python in this set. Okay, now there is no more Python in this set. So in this way we can add some elements and we can delete few elements from a set. That's why set is called as a mutable collection. Okay, that's why set is called as a mutable collection. I hope all of you understand what is a set and how we can access the elements of a set, and how can we add and remove the elements of a set, and all the properties of a set. Okay, now let us move to the next data type, that is nothing but frozen set. Okay, frozen set. Set is exact. Okay, set, how set is working, same way frozen set also will work. Okay, so even frozen set also, like duplicates are not allowed in frozen set, insertion order is not preserved in frozen set, heterogeneous objects are allowed in frozen set. Only difference between set and frozen set is nothing but set is mutable. Okay, set is mutable, frozen set is immutable. Okay, the name itself is suggesting, right? Frozen means what? It already got freezed. That means whatever the data we have given inside this frozen set, that data is already freezed. That means we cannot change it anymore. So in that way we can tell that set and frozen set are almost the same except immutability concept. Okay, frozen set is completely immutable. That means, like, once we create a set, once we create a frozen set, we cannot add or delete elements present inside a frozen set. Now one more point here I want to cover is, like, okay, directly if we want to create a frozen set, that won't be possible. Okay, that won't be possible. So to create a frozen set, we have a special function in Python called as frozen set of. Okay, we have a special function designed in Python, that is nothing but frozen set. Okay, with the help of this frozen set function only, we can convert a set into a frozen set. Let us see how we can work with this frozen set. Now see, this is my set. Now I just want to create a frozen set. So now I'm creating a frozen set like this with these elements. So now if I check the type of this F set, see, my data type is nothing but frozen set. Okay, in this way we can create a frozen set with the help of this frozen set function. Now if I want to, now let us see whether we can add. Okay, I told you, right, like in frozen set it is completely immutable, we cannot add content to the frozen set. Let us try to add and see what happens. Okay, F set dot add of 299. See, it is showing that the frozen set attribute doesn't have the frozen set object doesn't have the attribute add. That means we cannot add any element to the frozen set. Same way we'll try to delete a element from a frozen set. So F set dot remove of, see, again it is showing that in frozen set there is no object. Okay, there is no attribute called as remove. That means we cannot add element into a frozen set and we cannot remove an existing element present inside a frozen set. Okay, I hope all of you understand both how set works and how frozen set works. Thank you so much. Bye.